Hello everyone, welcome to the 6th computer laboratory work. Today I will introduce you with basics of 3D modeling in CAD. Okay, firstly let's change workspace to 3D modeling. To do it, on toolsets we click on modeling and now we have access to tools for creating 3D objects. Before we start drawing, for convenience, we can change drawing to 3D perspective. First option, on toolbar, click 3D orbit or type command 3D orbit. Now, by holding the mouse, we can do rotation. The second option, click here on the corner to have perspective view. Okay, let's try 3D drawing. On solid panel, we click on box or we can type command box. Please pay attention that we are drawing by specifying first corner on XY coordinate. So we define first corner. Let's make it square, 10 to 10, and press enter. Now we need to type the height and it also can be 10. And here our cube. Okay, let's create one more object. Press and hold box icon and let's select cone. And here we specify base radius. We can make it 10 and height we'll make it 15 and press enter. Okay, now let's talk about visual styles of the objects and models. To see all available visual styles, click here. By default, we have 2D wireframe. Sometimes it can be hard to see object in this style. Therefore, we can select another one. For instance, conceptual. Here we see objects in smooth shading. It's not a realistic view, but we can see the details of the objects. Also, we can change for realistic style, which give us realistic view of the models. And let's see one more sketchy one, which displays objects with hand sketching effect. Next, let's move on to viewpoints. If we click here, we can see 6 orthographic views and 4 isometric views. So, for example, by clicking top, we will see top view of the objects. Or if we click right, it shows right view. Or we can select isometric view in direction which we like. The difference between viewpoint here and cube is that viewpoint shows a side where we can draw. Here, when we move to southeast isometric view, XY coordinates has changed, which give us opportunity to draw on that side. And to look for the object or model from different side, we can use this cube. Okay, next is viewports. And viewports are areas that display different views of the drawing. Okay, let's add viewports on model space. We click on viewport control here, go to viewport configuration list, and for this case I will select 4 right. So now we have 4 model drawing areas with objects. The size of drawing workspace can be modified. The blue lined workspace means it is current drawing area. Here, for example, I can change visual style to realistic one, and now double click on this drawing area and now it is active. Here let's change visual style to 2D wireframe and the viewpoint will be top. And for the next drawing area, the visual style be again 2D wireframe and viewport, let's make it right. And for the convenience, I will change this drawing area to 2D wireframe. Okay, now let's say I would like to draw a rectangular on the right side of the cube. And when I try to draw it on drawing area with isometric view, we can see it doesn't draw on right side. So I move to right view space, trying to draw rectangular, and the same problem, it doesn't draw on the right side. To solve this problem, we need to change XY coordinate. We click on UCS icon here, select move and align and drag it on right view of the cube. Now, when the surface where we will draw rectangular in XY coordinate, we can do drawing. And when we finish, we can return to the world coordinate system. Let's try one more time by drawing a circle on top of the cube. This time I will work from the top view space. Okay, now let's see other commands for creating 3D models. For example, extrude command. For that, first let me draw rectangular on 2D. Now we click or type command extrude, select the model and press enter. And here we need to type the height of extrusion. For example, the height can be 15. We type 15 and press enter. Okay, let's see one more example. Here we can extrude this circle on top of the cube. Next is union command, which combines the objects. Okay, here we'll combine cylinder with the cube. So we click or type command union, select both objects and press enter. Now they are unified. Okay, now subtract command, which combines objects by subtraction. Let me show the example. We will extrude small square inside of the cube. And now we can subtract it from the cube. So we type or select command subtract, then select the object we want to keep. Here it is the cube, press enter. After that select subtraction object, here it is this one, and enter, and we can see it was subtracted. Okay, let's see, the last command for this session is intersect command. For that I will draw another cube here. Now we go command intersect, select both these objects and press enter. And here the object that were created from the intersection. That's it for today. In next session we will look to other useful commands in 3D modeling. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you next time. Bye!